क्या पता है
वीडियो है.
she looks like Bollywood actress.
Looks like what?
Bollywood actress. Yeah, I like it.
Sharjah.
बीच तो नहीं है इधर.
पता नहीं बीज गायब हो गया शायद.
और नहीं इधर बीच. The one who is waiting. हमने ना नया फ्रेंड बनाया. उसका नाम पेपे. Peace.
Let's go.
What is our food section? Is this food section? welcome back. And I'm home now. I reached in the morning at around 6:30. I landed around 6:30 and I reached home around 7:30. I think I forgot. Okay, yes. So after that, I took a quick shower and I slept off, and I woke up now. So guys, yes, it was day before yesterday. I guess day before yesterday. Yeah, day before yesterday. I was we went out. I went out with my amazing crewmates, and we went to a park. And after that, we went for shopping. It's not like we went to a mall, but it was like a mini mall where we can get all kitchen necessities, home equipments, and all the stuffs. And I had no idea what to buy, what to get. So I bought some random stuffs, which I want to show you and also conclude this video. So the first thing I bought was, I'll show you the first thing. This is the first thing I bought. It is a headband, very cute headband, and the material is very soft. As you can see, it's very soft. I love it, and I needed this. This is for 5 dirham. And the next one is the mascara. Uh, this is for, I think this is 5 dirham. I guess this one as well. I wanted a volume and also waterproof mascara, and this is the one I bought. I don't know whether I like it or not. I haven't tried it on, but I'm sure I like it. And the next one is this eyeliner, pencil eyeliner. It is for 4 dirham. I don't know how much is in Indian currency. I think 4 dirham it will be like 90, approximately 90 rupees. I don't know. I'll first have to check it out. And let's just check it out first. Because I wanted extra eyeliner to carry around during my layovers. I don't want to mix up with the one I use at home because I usually forget to carry if I use both at home and layovers. But this is not the exact one I wanted. I just wanted the pencil liner, but okay, fine. This is the eyeliner. It's, I don't know the name. It's China made. And the next one is ta-da-dang. What do you call this? I don't know. It's portable and rechargeable battery juice blender. I've been wanting to have one of these because every time you scroll on Instagram, you always see this advertisement or even on Facebook. So I wanted to have one for myself as well, and I found this. I saw this one in the market, so I just bought it. I'll try afterwards and see whether it works or not. And the price, it was for 11 dirham. This is 11 dirham. Like it will be 200, approximately 230 rupees. I don't know. I'll first check it out. I don't uh I don't I'm not sure yet, but it must be 200 something. And the next one is this perfume. It is Insta VIP candy perfume. I just love this scent. This is the perfume I got. It smells like a fruity smell. The odor, I just love it. And the next one is this perfume body mist, which I really loved. This is the first body mist that I'm going to use, and this smells like the scent with. I'm a bit familiar with the scent. It smells like Victoria's Secret Love Spell, the lotion. It smells a bit similar with that, but similar. And I love this. It's cheap, and I just love this. What it is. And the last item which I bought yesterday is This is the boot I bought last time. Boots. I just love the color and the texture is very smooth, soft, and I love the design. And it cost me only 30 dirham, which was cheap. And I love the product, and I love the product as well. And yes, that is all. Which I hope you like the video as well. I didn't make much videos these days because I don't know what videos to make. So just suggest me some ideas which I can make and you can also enjoy as well. And yes, that is all for the video. I hope you love watching the video and enjoy the video as well. And I'll see you again in my next video. Bye.